Hi, my name is Chef Sahil Mehta. I happen to grow up in France. That's where I did my hotel management from. I've tied up now with Goodrich and Tedco to start this bakery and pastry course and bring a change in the country and teach things the way they're done overseas as well, and making India proud and baking the right way.
My name is Ashna Agarwal and I'm 21 years old. I have completed my 12th and that's when I decided to join bakery and pursue it as my career option. Here the chefs are very nice and very kind. They teach you a lot more than you think.
Hi, I'm Chef Aditya Biswas. I've done my hotel management from IHM Pusa and then I've done my MBA from Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. Working with Tedco has given me an opportunity to train hundreds of chefs through the years, and now we are partnered with Goodrich.
My name is Harsh and I am 22 years old. I have done my graduation from JIMS Vasant Kunj in Bachelor's of Computer Applications, and right now I am pursuing Level 2 Diploma in Culinary Arts from Tedco Education Private Limited. My experience here has been great. I have learned a lot of dishes, lot of cuisines, and the workshops here and along with the chefs have helped me a lot. My future plans is to open my restaurant and learn as many cuisines as I can, exploring from the ground level. And my highlights have been great. We have visited a lot of industrial visits and covered a lot of cuisines here along with the chefs. I will recommend Tedco to anyone who is looking for a great experience in the culinary world and is looking forward to enhance the skills.